Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this new Harbor Freight 3-ton low profile jack. First look at the box. It looks very similar to the snap-on version of this jack, which is the KJ 300, I believe it is, something like that. So first look at the box. It looks very similar, but it also looks very well put together. So we're going to get this thing out of here and see how it works. All right, so we got out of the box here. Got the handle snapped together, and it looks like you gotta get this little dealie out of here, whatever that is, for that to go up. Just got the garbage cleaned up a bit, so let's take a look at this handle here. Got a nice, pretty much lightweight handle. See, it's got Daytona there, nice padding. Snaps together in the center. So let's go ahead and stick it in the jack here. Snaps right in pretty easily. Got a nice set screw here. Turn that in, lock it into place, not going anywhere. So overall, the look of this jack is pretty well put together. You got Zerk fittings, the wheels roll nice. Already got the wheels nice and dirty, just sitting here rolling it back and forth a couple times. Got a nice rubber pad on the foot here. So rolls pretty easily. It's not super noisy, which I like. Unlike most jacks are very noisy to roll across the garage floor. It can be obnoxious. But just jacking this thing up here, it seems very smooth, goes up relatively fast. And it also seems to be going up pretty high too. So lowering it down, wow, lowered down pretty nicely. Not super jumpy like most jacks. That can be pretty sketchy sometimes when you're trying to lower it down slowly. But yeah, it seems to be a great jack, great functioning jack. Has safety valves. All right, well, let's get this thing under the car and see how it works. Low pro fits nice underneath smaller cars like this 2003 Honda Accord. Seems pretty easy to pump up. Not sure how much this car weighs. Probably 2,500, 3,000 pounds. Seems to be going up pretty easily. And now we got the tires off the ground with only however many pumps, 8 pumps that was probably. So now we'll go try and lower it down slowly. I'd say that's pretty slow, pretty easy to control. All right guys, so overall, I think this is a great jack. Pretty good for the amount of money that you spend on it. This one was only $160, I think. They do have longer 3-ton Daytona jacks that are also low profile and have a pedal here on the back for quick pumping if the rig is taller, like a lifted truck or something like that. That will allow it to pump up way faster than manually pumping it by the handle, even though this does go up pretty quickly. But I have used one before that does have the pedal on it, and it works great for vehicles that are not low to the ground like this Honda Accord. But anyway, so those other jacks are around $200 for the bigger ones, but this one was only 160 bucks. And for 160 bucks, you actually get a pretty nice jack that actually does its job, isn't super noisy, rolls nicely, pumps smoothly, and doesn't lower super fast or jumpy like some of those older jacks or the cheaper Harbor Freight ones. But this Daytona jack seems to be great, and I'm pretty stoked on my purchase. So go out to Harbor Freight and grab yourself a Daytona Low Pro 3-ton jack and go work on some cars. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos.